Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is 12:15 and this day is flying by. I literally have no idea how I ended up here, but we did somehow. And I thought a fun activity for today could be to go thrifting together. I haven't been thrifting yet this year and there are a couple of thrift shops that I've been wanting to hit up, so very excited to bring you along. There's a lot of really good thrifting in Santa Monica, so I plan on just sort of walking over and hitting up a couple of stores, seeing if we find anything good, any little treasures. The last time that I went thrifting a couple of months ago, I found some stuff that I've been wearing like nonstop, so I'm very excited to see what comes my way this time. It has been such a busy start to the day. I already had a call and I have another call at 3, so we have 3 hours to get our thrifting in, which should be fine. That should be enough. I don't foresee me taking too long, but we're gonna see. Either way, we definitely have to be back here a little before 3 o'clock. So I think our first stop is gonna be over to Buffalo Exchange, and then there's at least one more place that I wanna check out, maybe two. One of them is very hit or miss, so I'm not really sure if it'll be worth our time. We'll see how much time we spend at these other thrift shops, but Buffalo Exchange is definitely the best one. It's the biggest and it also has the most affordable items. The other one that I want to look at, price is a little bit higher than I usually like to pay for thrift, so I don't typically end up getting things there, but they have really cute stuff, so I always like to check in and see if there's anything worth getting. And that is our plan, so let's head off. Oh, it is a beautiful day out, you guys. We are just walking towards the thrift stores. You know, normally I like to go into thrifting with a bit of a plan, things that you're looking for, because otherwise it can get a little overwhelming. But I'm not following my own advice on that today. I don't have much of a plan of what I want to get. I want to keep an eye out for like maybe a cool leather coat, but other than that, we're gonna sort of be playing it by ear and just seeing what we find. I was just in the mood to go and look for a couple of things. Sorry, that car is making very obnoxious noises. Anyway, we are off to Buffalo Exchange. This maybe has some potential. It might be too big on me. We'll have to try it on, but maybe. Cool little blazer. Okay, these are very cool. They are a size too big, but we're gonna try them on anyway because they're $21 and that would be amazing. So I'm pretty conflicted, but I think I might get them. They don't slip and slide on my feet too much, and they're $21 and it would be amazing for Coachella. So I'm thinking yes. Too good. Okay, this is a sort of cool find. It's like bomberish, but lightweight. It says take a trip. Pretty cool. I'm gonna try on those jackets so I don't have to carry them around if I'm not gonna buy them. Definitely not way too big on the shoulders. I mean, this is very cool, but I just don't see myself really reaching for it that often. So probably no. Awkward. Trying on these pants, which I thought were cool, but I think they look a little bit too much like pajamas. Like, I'm on the fence, but I think it's a no. Okay, we got some bomb finds at Buffalo Exchange, you guys. Very excited to show you everything that I picked out. A lot of accessories, which is really fun, different, because I don't usually buy accessories. But there was one other thrift shop, like I said, that I wanted to hit. It looked closed when I was walking here, so we're gonna see if they've opened up again. It said they should be open. Maybe they were on lunch though. So I'm gonna check that. And then I also walked past this vintage store that like literally is just opening today. Probably too expensive for me. I probably won't buy anything, but I figure why not just go in and check it out anyway, because it's just fun to have a look at what people have. Okay, this is the spot, Quiz Daddy's Closet. So we're gonna check it out. I'm already loving, look, they got a big Vladdy poster. I gotta ask if they're from Toronto. Connor would love this place. Okay, sorry I didn't vlog in that place, but I was the only one in there. The guy was talking to me, so you know, but I ended up getting sold on something. I'm gonna show you guys what, but because it was a little bit more expensive, that's gonna be the end of our thrifting journey for the day, I think. If this other place is open, maybe I'll still just pop in really quick just to look, but I'm literally not gonna buy anything because, yeah, I've spent my budget for the day now, so. But Connor is gonna be very excited about what I bought. I'm very excited to show him. This is the other spot that I was looking at. I'm not gonna go inside because as I said, I've spent my budget, but I wanted to give them a shout out because they always have really cool stuff in there, so if you're looking for good thrift, check them out. Made it back home, just threw a sweatshirt on because it's a little chilly, and I'm just gonna make some quick lunch, and then I have to hop on that call, and then I'll show you everything that I got from the thrift store. I wanna like sort of style it for you guys, which should be fun, but I also wanted to document lunch because I'm trying these Taiwanese green onion pancakes from Trader Joe's. Seen these all over TikTok and I've been wanting to try them, so I'm intrigued. I just had a look at the different ways that people eat them. There are like a few different ways that people go about it. I'm so conflicted about what I want to do, if I want to like turn it into a wrap or if I just want to just eat it, like snack on it, because I think that will be really yummy too. Now we're gonna throw this down. You know what I'm gonna do, you guys? I'm just going to eat that as a snack, and I'm gonna make some of the kimchi and tofu soup. I totally forgot I have this, and I feel like that'll be perfect. I can also like dip into the soup. Will be yummy, so yeah, that should be good. Piercing. That was so dramatic, very dramatic. Oh my God, I'm just trying to pierce this a little bit, damn. Create like a little basic dipping sauce for this. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy for this. I'm just gonna do soy sauce, sesame oil in there. This is starting to like bubble up a little too, by the way. No, it needs more time. Okay, I'm just gonna let it continue to sit. Back to my sauce. I'm thinking some chili onion crunch and some garlic in there. God, this thing, I never get it off. You never go wrong with garlic. This for sure. Oh, okay, yeah. That's looking good. I'm excited. I think this side might need a little bit more time, but the edges were getting really brown, so we'll see. Check it out, you guys. Nice and brown and crispy on both sides. It smells actually like weirdly like a pancake, like a legit pancake, which is sort of funny. I wasn't really expecting that, but I've never tried it before, so we're gonna see. Okay, let's try one of these pancakes. I'm gonna start by trying it dipped in the little sauce we made here. It sort of reminds me of like naan, comparable taste. It does have a sort of like breakfasty taste to it almost, because it tastes a little bit like a pancake, but not in a way that bothers me. And in fact, I think it'd be really yummy. I saw a lot of people making it with egg on it. I would definitely be down to try that. Yeah, look good. I'm into it. Whew, changed again, here we are. Lunch was delicious. I literally couldn't even finish it. I still have some of the little pancake here. Got my calls out of the way, did a little bit more work, and now I want to do the thrift haul for you guys, which I'm so excited for. First up, let's talk Buffalo Exchange. These boots, are you kidding me? I can't believe I found a pair of cowboy boots for $21 that sort of fit me. They are a little loose. So I got these with Coachella in mind. I'm definitely going to have to wear them out for a day to, you know, see how walking in them is when I'm wearing them for a long period of time. As I do with all of my Coachella shoes, they have to be tested beforehand because I just don't trust it. Even like sneakers, I don't care. I'm definitely testing it before. But these are so cushy and soft on the inside, and they don't really have a heel at all. So I don't foresee it being too uncomfortable. Plus I'm gonna have to wear really thick socks in them just to help them fit a little bit better anyway. So I'm pretty excited about these. Very, very excited to try them out. Oh, these boots I am loving. Check it out, you guys. So obviously you can't really see my whole fit, but it's just a little pink dress here that I just threw on just so I could show you, because I probably will wear like a skirt or a dress or something with these. I love them. They are so comfortable, you guys. I'm like shook. Boots like this are never comfortable to me, and these are feeling amazing. Again, definitely have to test walk them. Molly, your tail. But so fun. I need to look in the mirror because they're so cute. I love it. They are so cool. I can't believe that I got these boots for $21. $21, you guys. What the heck? And actually, I could see myself, let me maybe move you up here for a sec, even just like styling something like this, a little pink dress or something, these boots, these cool glasses that I got. Like, it's a it's a cool vibe. I really like it. Also, you guys, I'm just thinking with these boots, they were so affordable that I may even be down to try something a little fun with them, because as we know, the more detailed cowboy boots are really in right now. But these were $21 and I'm not that worried about ruining them. Although I would be really upset if I did ruin them somehow. But I'm like, do I paint like the little design part to make them a little bit more decorative? Maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Actually, please let me know in the comments if I should do that, if you think that's a terrible idea. And if you do think I should do it, like, do you have any tips? Does anyone know how to do that? Like, do I just paint it? I don't know. Makes me nervous, but could be very cool, because I wouldn't mind having like a bit of the decoration highlighted a little bit more. Next up, I got this shirt, which is a little different, but I sort of dig it. It was more expensive than I thought it was. I forgot to check the price tag. So this was $35. I would usually never thrift something for that much money, but as I said, I forgot to check the price tag, so there you go. But it's this really cute silky blouse that has this really pretty embroidered like bead detail on the collar as well as on the sleeve here. So cute, really comfy, really lightweight. I thought this would be good for like summer evenings, dinners out. I really dig that. So here is the little button-up long sleeve. This is probably how I would style it, honestly. A pair of denim, tucked in a little, but still like very casual, easygoing. I might even like unbutton it one more with like a little lacy bralette that I don't mind showing. Could also do like the half tuck where you leave like, you know, one part out, one part tucked a little, which is like sort of cute, trendy look. So I feel like there's a lot of things that I could do with this, pretty versatile. I'm excited to play around with styling it in some other ways that isn't just denim, but this is definitely my immediate instinct of just like simple, throw it on. It looks really nice. This would be great in a professional setting. It can be like dressed up a little bit more to be a little bit more fun for going out to dinner, going out for drinks, whatever it is. And just the little details on it, I love. The little embroidery is just beyond. I'm really, really into it. Next, we have a couple more accessories here. So I picked up a little ring, which I just thought was so cute. It's a little gold ring. I can't tell if that's focused or not. It's very hard. Let me zoom in a little so I can see a little closer. There we go. Gold ring with like this pretty sort of gemstone star detail. Fits really well on this finger here that doesn't have a ring on it. So new to the stack. I like it a lot. Here's that ring, by the way. I've tried it on a couple different fingers and actually it fits best on this one. I think it looks sort of nice in my stack there. So I'm a fan. By the way, just because I know I'm going to get questions about where my other rings are from, okay, I have to remember where this one's from because this is the only one that I can actually link for you. But I will find it for you because I know I found it again in the past. But to be honest, this was gifted to me and it is pricey. So just a heads up about that. This I stole from my mom. I think either my dad or my grandparents got this for her. I can't remember, but this is her birthstone. Same with this ring. Again, it's her birthstone. Took it from her. Thank you, Mom. And this top one here was my great-grandmother's ring. Then my grandma gave it to me. So there you go. Anyway, moral of the story, most of these I can't link, but I will try to find a link to this one if you're feeling like splurging a little bit on a really dainty piece. I've worn this every day for years. I wear it in the shower. Nothing's ever happened to it, so it is just a great investment piece. I love how simple and dainty it is. It's really easy to just wear on the daily, but again, it is a bit of an investment, so heads up. And then I got 2 pairs of sunglasses. They're both kind of funky, but I think I like them. As you guys know, I've been on the hunt for some sort of like funkier glasses. So these are the first pair. I'm thinking these are like pretty like Coachella. This is gonna be like for Coachella, but I also liked the way that they looked on me. I was like, I could wear these also just on a normal day. They're sort of different, but I like them. And then I got these guys, which have a really unique shape, but again, I thought that they actually complemented my face sort of well. I mean, they're definitely like bold, something a little different, but I like them, so I'm not mad about it. And that's everything I got from Buffalo Exchange. It was a pretty good day today. And then, as you guys know, I stopped into one more shop, which was that vintage shop. When I went in, I didn't realize, but it's all sports, vintage sports stuff in there, so I had a look at a couple different Phillies items, a couple different Eagles jerseys, which were really cool. They were like old McNabb jerseys. It's this really cool like vintage Phillies shirt, the thing. But ultimately, none of those were really catching my eye, something that I loved. But he showed me this sweatshirt that I thought would be really fun for Connor and I to be able to share, because it is a Raptors sweatshirt. It's from 1995. So super early on in the Raptors, slash maybe that's like the first year that the Raptors were a team. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, obviously. I just thought this was so cool. I tried it on. I really liked its look. It's a size large, so it's like a little oversized on me. It goes for $85, but that includes tax. And since I'm local to the area, he actually gave me 10% locals discount, which was cool. So I got it for $76 in the end. Definitely expensive, but I just thought this was so cool. I knew that Connor would love it. We're also going to a Raptors game tomorrow, so I thought it would be fun to be able to have like a cool little Raptors sweatshirt to wear to the game. There you go. Plus I love sweatshirts. I always get tons of wear out of them, so even though typically I would not spend like $75 on a sweatshirt, it still, you know, gets the job done, which was great. So I love it. I think it's very, very cool. And it's so soft and comfy. Oh, another cool thing about it is that it's never been worn. It still has like the original sticker on it. So it's not even like it's used or, you know, tons of people have worn it. Tons of people have worn it in the past. Yeah, I guess that's correct. It sounds weird for some reason. Anyway, it is like literally brand new from 95, which is so cool. So I'm a huge fan. Raptors sweatshirt. I mean, it's a sweatshirt. There's not that much to show or talk about here. Again, I would probably just style it with jeans or whatever basic bottoms because it's a sweatshirt, but I love it. It is so cozy, comfy, and Connor loves the Raptors so much. I don't really care about basketball, so you know, I'm always repping Raptors for him. And again, we're going to a Raptors game tomorrow, so it'll be fun to have a cool piece of like vintage merch to wear. Also like fun for future generations of Raptors fans who may or may not be a part of my family to be able to hand this down to them as a cool vintage piece. So yeah. And that's everything that I thrifted today. So, as I said, the rest of the evening is going to be sort of chill. I'm going to finish up some work now, hop into some working out, and then it's going to be like, you know, sort of your average night from there. Here's what's for dinner tonight, just a little ramen bowl. I made this in a vlog a little while ago, if you recall. It's called like new TikTok recipes or something like that. I'll try to remember to link it down below, but if not, you guys should be able to find it that way. It was fairly recent and it was so good, so I wanted to make it again. Obviously, all showered, the curly girl is back and here to stay for a little while. I'm not gonna be straightening my hair again for a bit, I don't think, unless I do it before I go away next weekend. I don't know, TBD. But either way, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here. I hope you enjoyed coming along for some thrifting today, and whatever other little bits and bobs I showed you. It was a sort of thrift-centered vlog, you know, so that was the main thing. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Happy Friday, everyone. I hope you have an incredible weekend, and I will see you in my next video.